My name is Jill Radke. I'm a Senior Systems Analyst. The clients will come to us at the beginning and we'll do a discovery phase with the clients. We will go through their needs, what makes them different, what makes them the same as others, and from that we can figure out where our best practice is going to fit in. We will then do some development work. We'll set the system up for them, and then we'll kind of show them the system. We'll go through it with them. They'll see a little bit now how it works. That's going to be more specific to them. And from that, we kind of may need to make some more changes, may need to customize things more, develop more. And then from there, we're going to go into a UAT phase where the client will put in several test loans and we'll be having test scenarios. We'll make sure that they're going through certain steps. And they're going to go through all the different milestones of a loan and figure out if the system is really meeting their needs. And then from there, that's when John steps in and we do training. It's either hands-on training on site, we may do webinar trainings. Then the client usually goes live with a pilot group where it's kind of like a test phase. They've got just a few clients or a few loan officers that are putting loans into the system, really testing the system out from their end before they kind of open it up to their larger group. And then once the group goes live, we have support calls with the client, and it just is a comforting feeling to know that someone's there for them after they do go live and have those very specific questions. A lot of times they have the system that they use right now and they are used to things being a certain way. And it is really a really unique, awesome system. And so they need to understand sometimes that we've done this before and we've seen like the end product, and it's hard for them to see the end product at the beginning. We're asking them what seems like simple questions and they don't understand how it's all coming together, but we do have a plan. It's good for them to give input, and we do listen, because sometimes they will tell us things that we're like, well, you know what, that's a really good idea. Or maybe, we need to add something like that to our standard build. But most of the time, the things that they're pushing us one way, I think it's a good idea that they keep an open mind and know that in the end, we've done this a couple times and we know that we're leading them in the right direction.